Good morning. I'm LondaRain, and I wrote a poem this morning called Stimulus. I hope you like it. You will comment, like, subscribe. Alright. I'm stimulating my mind, opening my eyes so I can see, running the miles so I can breathe, walking it out so I'd have peace, singing it out so they believe, shouting it out so they see me, tired of performing for the man. This time, it's time to take a real stand, growing old and gray peacefully, 'cause I'm not stressing out. Change my diet, lifestyle, and mindset so that I don't have to drag about. Real dreams do come true and turn into real reality. Real goats have goals so we can feed our family. Time and time again, we've proved that we are worthy of being everything. But when I step into your neighborhood, you see me as threatening. Maybe it's your operant conditioning that makes you hate me so. Just open up your eyes and you'll see we're headed down the wrong road. So as we calm and our flames weaken, make sure you stay behind the scenes, working and developing on the grander scheme of things. We all have our parts to play, even when we're not on the front lines. Continue the narrative, and let's change each other's minds. Let's see some bills to protect our rights passed into laws. Do our research and elect those who represent us, our ideas, and our love. Don't sweep the mental disease of bigotry under the rug. And when you're down, I hope you remember me and say to yourself, don't give up. I'm LondaRain, y'all, and I hope you know that you like my poem. Peace.